Ella is a small town in the Badulla district of Yuva province. Sri Lanka governed by an urban council. It is approximately 200 kilometers east of Colombo and is situated at an elevation of 1,041 meters above sea level. The area has a rich biodiversity. Dense with numerous varieties of flora and fauna. Ella is surrounded by hills covered with cloud forests and tea plantations. The town has a cooler climate than surrounding lowlands, due to its elevation. The Ella Gap allows views across the southern plains of Sri Lanka.